What up, guys? Welcome back. So today I do have a computer behind me that is thermal throttling mining Ethereum. It's doing around 92 and it does drop down all the way to 87 after a few hours. So we're going to fix that. This should be running around 99 mega hash mining Ethereum. This is an RTX 3080 from Dell. We do have some thermal pads. Everything you're going to need is right here on the table, including that. So you're going to need a screwdriver. You're going to need a razor. You're going to need a microfiber cloth. You are going to need some thermal pads. These are 2mm thermal pads from Amazon, and the same with the thermal paste. 5-year warranty on this thermal paste. So I'll drop all the links below so you guys can check it out if you need to just upgrade your thermal pads and your paste. So we're going to replace it on here. For now, we're going to put this stuff to the side, and we are going to get right into the video. So again, RTX 3080 from Dell. I have been mining with this card for about a year, so it's long overdue as far as replacing everything goes. So let's just get into the video, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that like, hit that sub, and let's just go. All right, guys, so the first thing we need to do is take out all of the screws on the top of the GPU, and then we're going to take out the screws on the bracket, and then we'll be able to take it apart, and we can see what we are working with. So now that those are out, we need to take out the 3 screws right here on the side. This will come off, and you can see these are 4 of the pads right here that we are going to be replacing. So we want to take that off. We'll put that over there for now. We'll take off these. Now, once we take off that bracket, we do have 2 more screws here that we do need to just take off. Again, these have springs on them as well. Put these over here. And we should be able to peel this back, and we'll take a look at what we got here. So as you can see here, the thermal paste on here, there is some oil on there. And if we take a look on here, definitely some oil on there. These definitely need to be replaced. Long overdue. So you can see the heat sink here. We do have 4 pads to replace here, and I am using 2mm pads. So we're going to clean this real quick. We're going to take these off, and then we'll cut new ones, and we'll turn this guy back on. Now, the best way to take off this thermal paste, of course, is to use an alcohol wipe. So we're going to use a few wipes and get this nasty, hard, gooky stuff off. We want to get this nice and clean and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. And take your microfiber cloth and wipe it nice and dry. Actually, these stickers too need to go. I need to take these stickers off. You should never have plastic on the back or the inside of your GPU. There's no need for these stickers to be there any longer. So we are going to get rid of those. Peel these off really quick if we can. Now we're going to put some paste on here. I put a good amount on here because, well, we're mining. And I'm going to put some around the edges here to help with the thermals. Now, I have tried this already without putting thermal paste along these edges, and it did throttle pretty quickly. So we are going to go the extra mile and put some extra paste on here. So again, 2mm pads and plastic on both sides. Do not forget to remove the plastic. So let's just cut these guys up. So this is the stock paste that did come on this. I thought I replaced all of my 3080s, but apparently not. So I'm not surprised that it is thermal throttling, because the stock paste on these things or the stock pads on these things are terrible. So I'm not surprised. I thought I replaced them, but I guess I missed one, and that would explain why it is throttling so much. Now we'll just put it all back together. All right, guys, so we have this thing all put back together. New paste, new pads. We're going to throw it in the computer, and we'll see what we get. We should be getting right around 99 mega hash, so let's check it out. All right, guys, we are up and running, and we are running right around 99 mega hash right now on Ethereum, and I am using Phoenix Miner to mine right now. And I do want to play with the overclocks a little bit. I'm at 250 watts, so a little high. I want to get that down to around 230 watts with my overclock. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm happy right now from 91, 92, sometimes even 87. Now we're back up at 99 mega hash on Ethereum. That's it, guys. Hit that like button. A sub would be appreciated. And I'll be back soon, guys. Peace.